Okay, grade 12 biology, unit 4, evolution. I'm coming with summary questions now. Please follow me attentively. Summary questions on mutation. These questions may help you. These questions are, of course, the first part, multiple choice questions. The first question asks us here, which of the following can't be detected in a developing fetus by amniocentesis? Of course, this. The answer is jaundice. Euploidy is best explained by one chromosome more than the haploid set of chromosomes, exact multiples of haploid set of chromosomes, one chromosome. Therefore, euploidy is cells having exact multiples of haploid set of chromosomes. The whole set is increasing, of course. Question number 3. Which is correct for Turner syndrome? Turner syndrome, it is a case of monosomy. It causes sterility in females, absence of bar body, all of the above. And the answer is, of course, bar body means one of the X chromosomes, of course, which are put there inactivated. The answer is all are true. Due to non-disjunction of chromosomes during spermatogenesis, sperms carry both XX chromosomes, 22A, XY. Some sperms do not carry any sex chromosome, 22, there is no sex chromosome. If these sperms fertilize normal egg, that is 22 autosomal, and one X, one sex chromosome, that is X. Therefore, what is the result of the fertilized embryo's chromosomal abnormality? That it produces individual with XXY, 41 autosomal, and XXY, clean filter, and produces X0, only one X, Turner syndrome. The answer is here, Turner syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome, of course, in this case. Question number 5. From a diploid condition of 2N, which condition can arise due to non-disjunction of chromosomes? That is very simple, non-disjunction of chromosomes. That is trisomy. This case is specially known as trisomy. Question number 6. Edwards, Pathaus, and Down syndrome are due to, of course, these are conditions where one or two or change in autosomes. Yeah, change in autosome, change in sex chromosome, mutation due to therefore change in autosomes. What change? Change in number of chromosomes, numerical. Change in autosomes. Yeah. 7. Addition or relation of one or few chromosomes from diploid set of chromosomes results in addition or relation of one or few chromosomes from diploid set. That is aneuploid. Question number 8. Trisomy and monosomy is represented respectively by trisomy 2n plus 1, monosomy 2n minus 1. The answer is B. And 9. Given this chromosomal aberration, what is the kind of mutation? You see, you can see the arrangement A, B, C, D, E, and the QR. In that case, A, D, C, B, E. Therefore, it is inversion. It breaks at 2 points, rotates 180 degrees, and reinserts at that position. Inversion is the answer. That is, question is, this one is the answer. 10. Males XX and female XY sometimes occur due to male XX and female XY. Sometimes occur due to what? Mutation. B. Transfer of segments in X and Y chromosome. Definitely. That is. Question number 11. A pregnant woman who has done amniocentesis test finds an extra bar body in her embryo. Extra bar body considers an extra X chromosome. The syndrome which is likely to be associated with the embryo is, it could be Edwards syndrome, Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, Pathaus syndrome. From this given answer, this is the answer, of course, if the pregnancy is male pregnancy. Question number 12. Which of the following, which type of mutation involves substitution of one base for another? That is, substitution of one base by another. Insertion, deletion, point mutation. This could be the answer, of course. 13. What can cause gene mutations? Gene mutation can be caused error during, most of the time it's error during DNA replication, of course. This is the answer. What is a silent mutation? A silent mutation is when the mutation has no change, of course. A mutation that causes disease, a mutation that changes the protein structure, a mutation that changes the DNA, a mutation that doesn't affect the protein exactly. No change in amino acid because of the degenerative property of the genetic code. How can a mutation be passed on to the next generation? Of course, when the mutation is made in the reproductive cells, gametes or reproductive cells. Question number 16. Which of the following is an example of a beneficial mutation? Of course, if that mutation allows survival of a species or organism, like antibiotic resistance, survival advantage, beneficial. And question number 17. What is the effect of a missense mutation? Missense mutation replaces one amino acid by another. Therefore, the answer is substitution of one amino acid by another. Question number 18. Which of the following would result in a frame shift mutation? Insertions only, substitutions only, deletion only. Insertion and deletion. The answer is insertion as well as deletion can cause frame shift mutation. What is the result of a frame shift mutation? Of course, the protein is completely different. It could be completely different protein. The sequence of shift in the reading frame. Question number 20. Which of the following is an example of a beneficial mutation? Of course, I think this has been repeated, the same question repeated, appearing twice. And I think we are done. Sample 20 questions. Thank you very much. I will come by some subjective questions next time. Bye-bye.